Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to use affirm on Walmart. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up your affirm application and then log into your account if you haven't. So once I've logged into your account, so what you can do, you can hit on this shop tab here. So there's underneath you'll see a tab called shop. So click on it and then you can search for your store, which is Walmart here, or you can, if it's simply pops up on your home screen, so you can just tap on it. That's it. So you can select the store, and then what you're going to do now here is you're going to simply click on shop, whether you can either shop in store or shop online. So if you want to use FMC either way, so what you can do, you can simply click on shop online and then make your purchase. So whatever you want to you're going to purchase, so just make the purchase, and then what you have to do, and once you're done, you just have to hit on pay with affirm. So for example, if I'm going to add this to my cart here, all right, I've added this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on pay with affirm, and then usually, okay, so what happens is, so when you get to your checkout, so when you get to your checkout, when you're about to finish your purchase, you just have to choose affirm at your checkout. So that's how you actually pay using your affirm. So you just simply add it to your to your cart, and then when you check out, just choose the affirm option, because affirm is partnered with Walmart. So that's how you can actually purchase or use